scanning the room to see what I can learn. I see a keyboard, memorizing it. I see a pencil, memorizing it. I see a toy llama, memorizing it. I see a purple ball, memorizing it. I see a yellow pencil, memorizing it. I see a tablet, memorizing it. I see a basket, memorizing it. I see a Spider-Man fig, memorizing it. I see a ruler, memorizing it. I see a screwdriver, memorizing it. I see a cup, memorizing it. I learned keyboard, pencil, toy llama, purple ball, yellow pencil, tablet, basket, Spider-Man fig, ruler, screwdriver, cup. Here is everything I learned today. This is a keyboard. This is a pencil. This is a toy llama. This is a purple ball. This is a yellow pencil. This is a tablet. This is a basket. This is a Spider-Man fig. This is a ruler. This is a screwdriver. This is a cup.